Don't you be deceived, don't you be deceived by just anything you see, anything you see. Shake the world and part to see, cause you are rocking with the queen, you are rocking with the queen. It's Queen E.
Okay, so this unit I'm working with today is from, y'all know, my favorite company, Hairvivi. Now, okay, you get 2 clips, edge comb, flyaway tamer, an instruction booklet, the usuals, a silk bag to store your wig in, and let's look at the unit. Now, the unit is actually a straight unit, no body wave, no nothing. It's got a middle part. It's their pre-sewn, pre-bleached hairline with the Invisi scalp method that I actually love. So a little secret, this is a part 1 for this unit because I will be back shortly with a surprise addition for this wig. I'm super excited to share this new feature with you guys. So let's get started here. I'm not going to talk all the way through this video. I'm just going to do a somewhat bald cap method because I didn't want the unit to stay on forever, so I applied my Got To Be freeze spray around the edges before my hairline, not actually on my hairline because I'm trying to keep my hairline, and I'm gonna blow dry it. Sometimes I use my finger just to hold the cap down while the Got To Be freeze spray dries because sometimes it will lift up. And the ear area is actually the most important part. That's the part I really want to lay flat. I have my blow dryer on a cool setting. Now we're going to cut the cap. And I'm actually going to be using just a tiny bit of adhesive. That was the skin protectant. That's the Erica J skin protectant. And I'm going to be using Erica J's adhesive as well. I'm going to apply that around the perimeter of the wig. And then I use, those are collar keepers. I bought a bag of them and they work so well for that. You could use a popsicle stick or whatever you like. Before I lay the unit down, I go in and pull the little strings away. Now we're gonna place the unit on our head, and she is so fly, right? Look at that. I had a place where I had just a little bit too much adhesive that I actually had to go in and remove some of the adhesive over on the temple area of the unit. So I'm just melting her into the adhesive that I've applied around the perimeter of it. And then I'm going to use my blow dryer. I'll use that on a warm setting to actually melt the adhesive, or just to kind of melt them together. Now we're gonna tie her down, and y'all know the rest of the routine. I will be back at the end of the video. So I'm actually gonna cut just a little bit of layer in her. She already has a little bit, as you can see. If you can see, let me back it on up. She's got a little bit of layer, but because I'm gonna actually do her straight, I'm just gonna put a tiny bit more layers in the front of her. So I got my shears. I only use these for cutting my units. I don't use these for cutting the lace or anything else. And I'm just gonna go down. And of course, start out with less, and then you can always go back in and remove more. Wigs don't grow. So you won't get it back, right? And then we're gonna do the same thing over here. I'm gonna comb this all the way how I'm gonna actually wear it, and just start my layer. Like I try to start exactly where I started that one. So I'm just gonna come right here. Just go down, down, down. Bit shorter if you want to. Like I usually will do this right here, just pull it out. I don't know why I'm trying to be fancy today. And then just come right here and do the same thing. And let me show you, just cut that much off. It's not a lot coming out of there. To give it just a little bit of texture, basically. A little more. Because I just want her to be straight. Alright, let's flat iron this baby.